Spring, the season of rebirth. Trees, along with other forms of vegetation, bloom. New life begins. The forest is filled with the sound of birds. Let's check it out. The eastern bluebird. When the sun hits it directly, its coloring is spectacular. Let's listen to it for a while, communicating. The black-capped chickadee. These guys never stop moving around. They're very hard to film. Danger lurks everywhere. The hawk sees something. It drops down and snatches what appears to be a small bird. Catching the prey is one thing. Getting it to a safe place to eat is another. It's constantly looking upwards, scanning the sky for other predators. It determines it's safe to leave. With its meal securely in the grasp of its talon, it takes off. Coming in for a landing is a black vulture. Its wingspan is approximately 4.9 feet. The black vulture is a scavenger, primarily feeding on carrion. However, they are opportunistic and will eat eggs and small reptiles, as well as larger prey if they appear weak. I have noticed several birds eating the leaves off this tree. This is a male cardinal. This is a female cardinal. This is a northern flicker, one of the largest woodpeckers in the area. Hey, woodpeckers have to eat too. One of the hawks working on its nest. We'll see how that works out in a later episode. This cardinal is listening to other birds around him. He chips in at the end to say, "Thank you for viewing." Our female cardinal gives us a final view. In closing, the rapid wing flapping is part of a mating ritual that many species of birds utilize. It highlights the male's fitness, strength, and balance, qualities required to survive in the wilderness. We'll have more to say about this in a subsequent episode. See ya!